Alright, what's up guys? We're at Walmart today. Looks pretty good, and I noticed there's a Valentine Despicable Me up here, kind of in the dead zone, but it may be gettable. So, we're gonna do a challenge for it, kind of like a lot of people do these, they're kind of like quests, or a challenge to get a certain stuffed animal, so we're gonna do a challenge on it. But really quick, while this closed like this, I'm gonna go for this December, see if I can use a swing technique on it. So we'll see. It's definitely in the dead zone, but it might swing and grab it, so. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Oh, almost got that dog. It should be good. Oh, don't hit the chute. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Oh, man, that's close. Didn't do much, though. Ooh, I could almost rake this owl over. Really close. Oh man, alright. See, I want to get in his overall thing, but, nope. I gotta get in his headband there. I might get a 2-in-1 with the owl, now that I think about it. Oh, perfect spin. Oh, almost. Oh, come on. Oh, that almost knocked in that owl. Thought that might happen. Alright, let's see if I can grab this cheeky tiki. Get by the arm or something. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, come on, get in there. Yes! Oh, no! This owl was on top of my Despicable Me. Thought it was gonna bounce in. I don't know if it's gettable now. For this side. Just spin the claws a little bit. It's kind of where I want it. Shoot. Oh, come on, maybe that might have it. Come on, grab Smurf. Yes! Smurf, stay. Nice, that was the last attempt, too. Barely got in there. Nice, Smurf. This is my third one of him. Missed it. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. That's ungettable. That sucks. Oh, wait, there's a Zombot figure right there. I want to go for that. Look right there. Come on, get in there. Oh, wait. No, it's not in it. Oh, wait. Grab, stay. Oh, stay. Nice. Got it. I don't know how that stayed, but I ended up winning it. That's pretty sick. Nice. Zombot figure. That's pretty cool. I don't know how that stayed. I didn't even get it in the box. It just took this corner right here. That's pretty sick. Alright, what's up guys? We're at the Walmart Claw. They got some really old stuff in here. Like 2011 old. It's weird. First try, actually, let's just go for this loop here. See if we can get this flower in the back. Maybe that. Come on, grab the other loop too. Stay. Yes. Oh, 2 loops. 2 loops. What? What? Finger, maybe. Come on, grab by the finger. Oh. What's it called? There's a Valentine minion right here. Pretty sweet. See if we can put them on the. Oh, come on, yes, it's in it. Come on, yes, stay. Nice, got the Valentine minion. First try, too. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm kind of scared he's gonna fall back in. Oh, what? What? Are you serious? Gotta be joking. Come on, that should have him. Get him. What? Oh, that was awesome. Phew. They won't have to spend any more on that. Oh, that was awesome. It was like a slow motion win. Nice. And there's a peace bird in here too, the guy left. Pretty sweet if I could. Get in there. Oh. Ooh, look at this. Ready? Moment of truth right here. Get in there. Oh, man. Shoot, I ran out of time. That'd be crazy. Oh, I almost dug him out. Oh, man, I almost had this minion pillow. Just drop it, like, right here. Oh, maybe. Hopefully that'll... Come on. Yes. Knock the pillow in. 2 and 1. Oh, what? I'm gonna grab this loop over here. There's another loop. Lots of loops on these things. Let's see if I can grab this monkey. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Oh. Alright. Alright, it's in it. Hopefully it'll stay. Yes. Stay in there. Come on, stay. Oh, look at that. I piled 3 things up. Wow. These loop things don't work at all. Let's try that. Yes, got the monkey. Stay. Stay in there. Oh, dang it. Let's try it again. Maybe I should have it. Yes, got him. Stay. Alright, knock it in. Oh. I might knock the minion pillow in. Oh man. Perfect. That should have the thing. Yes, got him. Stay. Get in there. 4 and 1. Oh man. Jeez, nothing is pushing these things in. Alright, let's go for this pig. Oh. I don't know, maybe we'll just drop it on these. Maybe I should have it. Come on, clamp. Yes, got it. Stay. Stay. Knock him in. Come on. Oh. Oh. Man. Can't get it to knock over. Yes, it's in it. If we just close, stay. Nice. Pull it in. Pull it in. Oh. Look at that. Wait. It's stuck on there right now. I wonder if I move it right and then drop it, I might get it in there. They made the loops way too big. But then I wouldn't really be able to grab that with that, so. See, I wish I could just drop it, but. Are you serious? Go down. Oh, man. Let go of it. Shoot, that was horrible. Oh, look at that. It's just, oh look, it's caught in the cord. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like stuck in the claw. I've never seen that happen before. Wow, that just completely, look at that. It's like on the cord. I could use this. I should try dropping it right here. Oh, shoot. What? Oh my gosh, this is stupid. Oh. Wow, I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Lift it and get in there. Get in there. Please, look. What the heck? No, this made it worse. Are you serious? Oh my god. It's literally gonna take me all day. I gotta get this minion pillow. There, get in there. Finally. Took me that long. Let's go for this minion pillow. Get in there. Come on, minion pillow. Get in there. Shoot. Alright. I think I know how to get this. I think I gotta go a little bit more. Shoot. Right there is good. Come on. Get in there. I think this is, yeah, it's not coming on. Oh. It's stuck in there. Alright guys, we're at the claw, and there's a lot of new generics in here. For instance, there's this club. I think it's a club. Which is pretty cool. So, let's try for it. That's pretty awesome. They're like making weapons. That's cool. They have a new dinosaur back. Ooh, what are those? Ugly doll. I thought those were generic, but apparently not. This could be easy to win. Could be, could not be. So we'll see. Maybe. Grab by the spikes. Oh yeah, it's easy. Stay in there. Nice. That's easy, I guess. It's pretty cool shape. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. It makes sound. Look at that. Dude, that's awesome. You can like, when I go on rampages at the claw, I just go whack and it's cool. That's awesome. I'm keeping that. Alright, let's go for this. I want to go for the seahorse, but I don't think it's gettable. Always want to see if I can get this stupid lizard off. You know what? Let's just go for it. There's nothing else I really want in here. Oh, come on. Oh, I got the... Oh, I had the Zombot by the tag. 5 seconds. See if we can just grab this stupid gameplay hat. I doubt it. Although... Oh, yes. Got it. Nice. Alright.